Welcome to MSC TV Network. Well, we're going in the chat room now because there's been some voice note leaked out, and apparently this woman know what she's talking about. So without further ado, listen carefully because she go in depth about everything. And I seem to believe her. It makes sense. So listen carefully. Remember, if it's your first time on my YouTube channel, click like, click subscribe, and press the notification button. Let's begin.
Hey, what going, what going? The country, this president coming, right? And there's a lot of corruption. Corruption. And what happened is him start to clean up and do some certain things, and some people are, miss out, like, him a cut back, like, basically him a fight the corruption that's going on. And the rich white man, them will live up in the hills, and, them light skin one day, and the Indian or the Pakistani one, them don't like that. So what happened for the last 4 years, he's been a president since 2017. And for the last 4 years, them a fight him, them a try overthrow him, them a try all type of something. February gone, them try to use the Haitian police them to do a coup. That didn't work. So now the only thing left for them to do right now is kill him. So what they did, yesterday morning, a whole bunch of guys, they say it was like 26 of them, but it's a lot of white Spanish. Them say them come from Venezuela and Colombia. And them have some Haitian, like them use some Haitian police, them was in on it. I hear it's a $20 million hit. And them drive them around and whatever. So what's been going on now since yesterday, that's how, because when them pull up to the president resident, him live off of the road, like off of the main road, you have to go in, and the first set of police where them find outside, them said to them, oh, on a loudspeaker, hey, we're doing a DEA mission, and we're not here to hurt anybody. Lay down, put down your firearms. That's how them cross the first police barrier. And as them are going to the second one, the same thing them are say, we are here on the DEA. DEA is a drug enforcement agency. Now, them fucking dumbass police now, I mean, why DEA come a president private house at 2 o'clock in the morning? So them lay down, and I make the man pass them and take with them weapon. So as them going, them reach into the house now, the president room door is a metal, what I call it, like even if you shoot, it's blended, like one of them heavy type of door. And somebody who give out the information, somebody knew the president have that type of door. Some inside give information of what going on with the president. The man them come with an explosion and blow off the door. And that's how them go in there. And when them blow off the door now, them, what what you call it? The president and his wife, and him a tell him, him to sign paper, and him say, no, him not sign no paper, and, them broke into hand, then tell him to kneel down, he said, no, he not kneel down, and them broke into foot, then shoot him up, them shoot up in face, bust out into eye, shoot him in the ears, and, oh my God, them did the whole. So now, after that, now, them take off. So what was supposed to happen when them leave? Them was at a house not too far from the president, but maybe a 10-minute drive from which part the president lived. So while them a leave, I guess whoever police must have called for some backup. So while them a speed a go, some set of police a come. So them start to follow them and shoot out, take place. So they end up following them and see which part them a go. And from last night, a be a shootout in the area, so them wasn't able to leave. So what happened now is this morning, the people them in the area, because now three of the Asian police get arrested that was with them. I guess them was there as drivers and interpreters. They must speak Spanish and they speak Creole and all of that. So what happened now is that when them leave, the man them know them by themselves, them Spanish, them no speak the Creole, and them in a country where them no know which part them there. So them a try come out and a cut through, certain areas, and the people them know see these white men. Oh my God, no, him term wasn't up. No. And that the opposition them I use. Alright, let me tell you what happened. There was the president before him term end up ending, I think 2015, 2016, something like that. When them run the election, them a say fraud and ray, and them keep pushing it. What happened now, the president never get time to do another election. So now a interim president had to come in, right? Him come in from the opposition side. And he was supposed to organize election in 3 months. So what happened, 3 months passed, him never do election. Him did it in a year. Took a year. So when them run the election again, the same guy were in power now, him win. So him win October of 2016. Him supposed to swear in February 7th. Now you calculate. If somebody take power February 7, 2017, and him supposed to do 5 years, now you tell me when him supposed to leave. And that them I use. So now what them I say is that them I try say him fi take the year where the interim president was there. Them I try tell him say, oh, that 1 year was for him. That was for him year. Me I go say me a president and somebody in the position at the same time. That no make no sense. So that's what the opposition them a spread, and I say, oh, him time was up. Them I say him time was up this past February, because them know say this is election year. It's something what them do every election year, Them try to do a transition where them get to come in a government and then spend 2-3 years and then waste up the money, and that's where all of the corruption and all them something they go on. So this one now him come and him put on him foot and him say, no, this I am the last president who not going to transition pan. So that's the reason why from February gone them try to overthrow him, and that never happened. And then were until now them go in and them assassinate him. No, his term was supposed to end February 7th, 2022. And from there he was supposed to do election scheduled for September 26th, Election schedule, and them supposed to do over the constitution, because it's messed up. It's an old constitution where them are used since over 35 years, which is no good. The country can't move forward because of it, and everybody decides say yes, we want to change it, but the fucking opposition side, that's what they were fighting. So now the man term end February 7, 2022. Him coming up power 2017, 5 and 17 give you what, 22.
There you have it, people. There you go. I'm just sending out condolence to his wife, his children, and his family. It's so unfortunate that people are so wicked and evil and shorten his life before his time. May he rest in peace. As I said, if it's your first time to my YouTube channel, please click like, subscribe, and do share this voice note, because I think the more people that hear this will really get a more understanding to what has been really going on. And you see the people that took his life, I hope they hang them blood clot, excuse my language, but hang them ras. Yes. On that note, I'm so annoyed. I'm out of the chat room right now.